welcome to today's graphic design tip of the day. For today's tip, we're going into Adobe Photoshop to learn how to remove things that you don't want in your picture. We're going to be doing this using some of the healing tools as well as the clone stamp tool. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to remove in this image is going to be the girl out here in the water. I'm going to do that using the clone stamp tool. So I'm just going to grab that. It looks like a little stamp. And holding down the Alt key or Option if you're on a Mac, I'm going to grab an area of clean from this bridge here where it meets the water, so I know the perfect place to place it over here when I'm going to cover the top of the girl. And as I go up on top over the top of her, you're going to see that it's going to grab that exact area. And I can actually continue that same design all the way down to her legs. And it'll grab the water that was below the bridge. It's like she wasn't there. If you do see any remnants at all, you can always go to your patch tool and just grab a little small circle over the top of that area and grab it to a clean section, and it'll blur those pixels. Now over on the beach, it's a little bit crazier with the amount of people here, so I'm going to actually continue this water line up a little bit higher. Using my clone stamp tool again, I'm going to hold down my Alt or Option if you're on a Mac, and grab that horizon line where it meets the water and the bridge. Come on over to where that first person is and start to create my bridge and feather out the one that was in the water. Keep that consistent line all the way out here. And there you have it. Nobody would ever know that the bridge didn't continue all the way up there with the water line. It looks like you took the photo this way, you were at the beach all by yourself. I hope you enjoyed this graphic design tip of the day.